Adding symmetry to a sketch. When sketching in SOLIDWORKS, the context toolbar is a great tool. With it, you can just select the needed geometry and add the relation you want from the menu. To add symmetry between two lines is equally simple. Just select the two lines you want to be symmetric and the symmetry line. Then you get the symmetry option in the context toolbar. Creating line segments of equal size. If you want to create a line divided into lines of equal size, simply create a number of lines that is collinear. Hold down Ctrl or Shift and select them all. Within the context toolbar, select Equal. You can then decide to dimension one of the segments or from endpoint to endpoint.